Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is on grammar, omit, but or use help. It's a very simple trick. This transformation is a very simple one and is easy one. I will tell you the trick. You will learn in 5 minutes. It will take almost 5 minutes or less. You can use the omit to this part omit to or use help. At first I take an example. Number 1, I cannot but read newspaper. I cannot but read newspaper. Here you can see but. There will be option J omit but মানে তুলে দেওয়া অথবা use help. Use omit but or use help. This is the question. How can we change it? So you first look at here but. So but এর জায়গাটায় আমি কি করব? help ব্যবহার করব। আমরা but তুলবো অথবা help ব্যবহার করব। দুটো কিন্তু একই সঙ্গে হবে simultaneous action. These two are simultaneous action. दिमाग में दो एक ही बात दिमाग में रखिए that but if you omit but in the place of but you have to put help. but এর জায়গায় help ব্যবহার করতে হবে। Now what will be the answer? So the answer I cannot but in the place of but I put help. Next you have two things to do. First omit but টা তুলে দিয়ে help আরেকটা কাজ কি করতে হবে যে এর পর যে verb ফর্মটা রয়েছে তার present participle সোজা কথা গেলে তার সঙ্গে ing যোগ। তো what will you do? In the place of but you just put help and in the place of verb you just add ing. So read plus ing reading newspaper. So I cannot help reading newspaper. What have I done? In the place of but you just put help and after but with the verb just add ing. This will be the answer. I am giving another example. Number 2, he could not but go to office. He could not but go to office. So what will you do? At first but in the place of but what will you write? Help, right? So he could not. In the place of but just write help. Next with the verb just put ing. Going to office. Number 3 example, famous line written by William Wordsworth. So line, a poet could not but be gay. A poet could not but be gay. So what will you have to do? In the place of but just write help. So answer will be a poet could not help be after be verb add ing, help being gay. So this is the process. What is the trick here? Just omit but এর জায়গায় help, omit but and use help and after the verb just put ing. So it will be the answer. Again one example more. This example is he cannot but help the poor. What will be the answer? So here but again. So I use but এর জায়গায় help. So he cannot help. After the help, here again help, ing, just put ing, helping the poor. So it will be the answer, he cannot help helping the poor. So here is the trick. In the place of but, just put help, and after then the verb, the word comes verb, you just put ing. But এর জায়গায় help বসাতে হবে আর ভার্বের পর তার পরের ভার্বের সঙ্গে ing. There are some other options also. All these sentences I have written here, যে সেন্টেন্সগুলো সব নেগেটিভ আছে. If you call turn into affirmative, if suppose this an option, turn into affirmative, turn into affirmative, turn into affirmative. So he could not but go to office, turn into affirmative. I write the answer of the two here, two, the answer of the two I write here. If you turn it affirmative, he could not but go to office, or he could not help going to office, whatever the question may be. Just suppose is in the place of but, just he in the place of could not but, in the place of could not but, just omit the could not but এর জায়গায় just তুমি must বসিয়ে দাও, must, he must go to office, he must go to office. What will be the answer of question number 1? Then in the place of cannot but or could not but, you just put must, cannot but and could not, omit cannot but or could not and put just must. Cannot but বা could not but এর জায়গায় তুমি must বসাও. So the answer will be I, number 1, I cannot but, put omit cannot but, just must, I must read newspaper. I must read newspaper. Okay. Number 3, what will be the answer of number 3? A poet could not but be gay. So could not but, in the place of could not but, we just write must. So a poet must be gay. A poet must be gay. Now I take the example of second example, number 4. Suppose this is the question. This is the question. He cannot help helping the poor. What will be the answer? So cannot help. Here again you omit cannot help. So the answer will be he must cannot help. In the place of cannot help, must, you must cannot help. In the place of cannot help, you just write must and omit this ing, reverse order, omit this ing. So he must help the poor, he must help the poor. Notice here, he cannot but help the poor. If I omit cannot but, so he must help the poor. So in the case, the question, if the question is he cannot help helping the poor, the answer will be he must help the poor. So here the ticks of omit but or use help. So at first you just omit but টাকে তুলে দাও and use help কে বসাও, and তারপর যে ভার্বটা আছে তার সঙ্গে ing, এই একটা। আর এই কোশ্চেনটা যদি থাকে I cannot but read newspaper, if it is called turn into affirmative, as it is a negative sentence, not here negative sentence, if it is called turn into affirmative, what will you do? Just cannot but, in the place of cannot but you just only put must, just must. I cannot but read newspaper, that means I must read newspaper. I cannot but play football. What will be the answer? Affirmative, I must play football. So thank you for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe, share and write comments, and stay tuned on my channel. Thank you for the day.